starting small forward, jersey number 2, Caputo. Shooting guard, jersey number 20, Payupay. Point guard, jersey number 17, Gascon. At center, jersey number 5, Eselose. And a power forward, jersey number 13, Puramen. And from the home team, Senior Division San Jose Rice, Miller start 5. At center, jersey number 2, Sabala. Small forward, jersey number 20, Watsiel. Power forward, jersey number 10, Lamson. Shooting guard, jersey number 24, Pascual. And a guard, jersey number 11, Nasari. Bravo. Kabulok from the top. And to the other side, puts it up. And musical target, Patane from the beast. And he comes Lipana back to the Patane to Lipana again. Swing pass once here. Extra pass to the other side. And that corner, and this one, tennis screw, may I say, beyond the arc, elbow, put back. And look at us in the si Payupay. Tumabono, pass to the middle, and a baseline drive, that's one speed. Turn around, Jay! Tantani from the outside. And a pass from 30 teammates, kicks out. And laps up 80 shoot. Tantani plays to the middle, Kala, save the ball. Time to shoot. And a partial play, Gibbs. Peso down with Sabala, other way, again. And a grabs the bird, take the bird up, down the pass, go to man, drive on the basket. And hit the ball. Walsiento Lipana. Patani, back to Lipana. And one pass is out, Kala. And off the mark. And a play on the run. Not a pass inside to the open man of Balance Home. Lipana, bounce pass once here. And goes inside, goes the ball, turnover steal. And he comes by on the run. And a too strong, Para, Camulo. And he comes Lipana. Once here, the Patani. And the Patani division right, goes past the middle. Once here, back to the Patani, right up in green. And the shot to target, this will be down. Once here, pass the open man. Lamson green. And this is a foul. This is number 2. Gascon na Kamunok. And Kamunok pass inside to the open man. Eselose puts it up, good. And our rebound team, San Jose, Lamson, Patani for the up. And raise up and back and goes. Basket in one, foul, losing number. And he goes once here, sending the play to Patani. And bounce pass from middle again. Once here, Patani the ball, stolen by Kamunok, kicks out, Payupay. Open the ball, Ebon agad, Kamunok, drop pass inside. And Kamunok to the middle, Eselose, punch it! And a floater, Lipana Shanso. And he goes Kamunok behind the back. Again inside pass, home! And a corner 3, Kalakala. Lipana to Patani again. And a deserves a good extra pass, Payupay, cancel out. And a shot all the way up. And here comes Lipana. No pass, Kalakala again, puts it up, puts it in, green! And a Punsalan. Clever, and a papa, followed by Kalakala. Saktong-sakto kay Kalakala. And still by Punsalan. comes in and covered by Kana to Mana. And lays up and lays it in. Punsalan. And here comes back to Punsalan again. Extra pass kicks out to Pascual. And again, Kana, another three! And Konakan, Daniel, too strong, comes aboard. And still by Kunamen. Kunamen at the grabbing bounce pass to Kabuno. Time to shoot. Mendoza kicks out to the open man. Whoa! Ang highlights ng Coco Salvador Intertown Basketball League Season 3. And Punsalan at the grabbing. Kala, here comes Pascual again, beyond the arc, finish. And as a rebound, Antonia puts it up, puts it in. Mendoza Carson 3. And a big rebound by Antonio. Kala. And Pascual is a basket. 45 seconds left. And Luis waiting for teammates to move up. Kapunov jumper. And Punsalan, Hallelujah. 20 seconds remaining. And Kapunov tried for the basket, bounce pass, Gagno. And answers good, Gagno. And a point is good, 5. And here goes Punsalan. Alley-oop, short! Tingnan na. Punsalan gives over him again. Kicks out to Punsalan again. Finds the play. Finish. And Kabuno lays up. And basket is good. Flowers to Punsalan. Swing pass to the other side. Pascual. Pascual. And Ramos. Punsalan with the ball. And against Vegas score. Punsalan in speed. Drop pass inside. Lapso in and out. And a big rebound by Kremen. Here comes Kabuno speed. Kicks out to Ruiz. Black card play. And a good throw. Antonio from the wrist. And here's Punsalan. Punsalan to the open again for the second time. And this is no good. There's a rebound by Lapson to Ramos from the top. And Punsalan's heading to play 80 shoot. Set the screen by Lapson. Cross the lane. Whoa! What a stop defense coming. Kabuno to Gaston. And a point drop pass to open man. Big drop pass inside. And a shot is home. Put back. SNOC. And we go still. Punsalan. From coast to coast. And a shot is home. And a big rebound. Antonio gets it up. And Gaston must pass. For 3, shots out. Tagal for the rebound. And there's a jump goal. Rizal take the possession. Time to shoot. And Gaston goes inside, using the board. And here goes Punsalan to Lamson. Back to Punsalan. And Pascual with the ball. To the open man, Punsalan again. 80 shoot. Antonio loses the ball, still with the rebound. And Gaston at the break. Sa kabila pa, inugot. And here comes Ramos, puts it up, puts it in. And Karakana Tomara. That's what's inside. And we'll be finished with Padani. And Mara Haliga Kalakala. And for the Mara. Passing with Antonio. Pantong naman si Leon. And Abane on the floor, still playing Pulaan from coast to coast. And still here comes SMC. Raquel, drop pass, Saru. And that's still play. Pagdani, Tumara. Back to Pagdani. And a pass through there from mid-range. Gaston right up in three. And Pagdani drive on the baseline, lays up. And he puts it in. And still, counter still, Irangan sink the ball. And take the shot, basket. And Mara. Pulang back to Mara. And sink the ball by Mara. Mara across the lane, tapas inside, Sabala is right in. And one. He really the power, but it out. Gaston. And a pass to the middle, SMC, pass outside, pass to three. And away up, Bali with the rebound. There's a rebound, put back under the shoot. SMC. Then the shoot. Pass to the middle, Karan, two taps again. And here comes Gaston on the run. Gaston loose ball still, Pulaan. And see the ball, comes in the play. 5.7 seconds. And shot is off. Ten to shoot. And a Karakala gets the ball. Back to the other side. Price of three. Short. And as I was saying, with the ball, kicks out. Here comes Payupay. Gaston to Florence Pay. And Payupay still with Padani. Padani gets away. All the way. And pass with the Flores to Gaston. Gaston and satisfied Sabala with the ball. And I'm starting with Flores. Gaston against Padani to Flores. And the sun keeps out, play back again, to the Graves, yes sir! Reed! And once again, Padani with up. Back to Bunsalan, shot clock 10. And here goes Antonio from mid-range. And in and out. Pagkakataon lumabang, SMC for the lead. Calls here, pass outside, here goes Bunsalan. 10 to shoot. Padani baseline. And a Padakan now shot off balance. And back to the lead. Sailor's good. Mendoza. And to the other side, back to Mendoza. Gets inside. And it's with by Ramos. Here comes Bunsalan. Bunsalan to Mara. Finishes good. left man. Kabulok Tagiranan to Mendoza from deep three. Mendoza. And here comes Mara going to Mendoza. Punsalan, shot lock 10. And pass on the lapso, drop pass inside, Mara, shots off. And now comes forward, here comes Kabulok, 1 in for blocking. And a Brown comes to those, Kabulok. Mendoza, up pass, comes forward, Big Ramos. And it gets the ball by Punsalan. Punsalan, and Aliwong. And lapso for the Sombur. 54. And here comes Samson pass with the Poragan and on the feet. And puts it up, puts it in. Puts it on feet. And Ramos for 3, no good. And it's a rebound by Antonio. And here goes puts it on 8 to shoot. Puts it on, lays up, big round. And a hand in the air, Aliwong by Kabulok. Quick answer by Kim Rizal. Second on the screen, 35 seconds remaining. And Mana kicks out, Pascual to Lee. Kabulok Pegra, steal ni Pascual. No pass, Mana. To Mana. And back to Mana. Jasper Ruiz. And here comes SMC. Puts it up, puts it in. And here comes Mana. Looking for teammates, Pascual. And Pascual with down, Kala penetrate, basket is good. Tayo by Dawson 3. And here comes play by from way downtown. And this time it's not good. And still the play by. And here comes Gascon, back to play by, still the Mana. Here comes Kala. Pascual, Esma, Sumara, Esteba, left to play. Ayan na, sinita, Braga, Istang, San Jose. And that is Strongwood, too strong. And got the miss by Luis, Williams has gone. Pasok nila ang play. And Erangan goes inside and lays it in. And Mana, pass outside to Mana again. Bingo! And a big play, si pass, Irangan for 3. In now. And a big rebound by Antonio. Sets free by Antonio, Mana, cross the lane. And still by Irangan. Irangan from goes to most brother. And as also drops forward, here comes Mana, catch the ball by Mana. And out the way, puts it in. And up from far away, no good. Pascual with the ball, and here comes Antonio. Mana right on the play. And again to and Kabulok track the basket, no good. Balan for the rebound. And Nakala Robins, here comes Mana. And Mana takes out to Mana again. And this time so good. Papa, Kala. And Mana again with the ball. Time to shoot. this time still good. Mendoza Xmas Payupay and a shooting in the air. Payupay for the final quarter. Payupay again for play. And a wake up. Patani Rodriguez Williams Dipana. And Amara setting the play. Mana to be discarded. And again beyond the arc. Another two. And a last 2 minutes. Payupay again. Take a shot from the outside. Jimenez. And our ball play in Dipana. Time to shoot. And a team strong. And Mendoza 3. 1 minute 20 seconds remaining. Dipana pass to Miguel. And the line shoot. Isma again, underneath, again. And a single ball by Dipana, time to shoot. Patani to win. And Thomas jumper short. Tugay to Steve Bulag. Engineer Evan Dipana. 10 seconds. Five seconds. And at that time of the regulation, the final score 94-73, winner by San Jose Rice Millers. Pag-ready na ba ang ating main